How you doing? This is me again. I got a new model GoPro, checking it out. Anyway, I'm on the way. I already sold out of all those remotes I had on that other video, and I'm going to pick up another order. They go really quick when you offer them to people. Okay, check it out. I just throw them in my car because it kind of looks like it's gonna rain. I'm gonna keep selling them. People are buying them. So, and look at this burrito I got. Unbelievable. There you go. I got cases of remotes. There's 30 in each box. I'm picking them up in quantities. Any of you guys want to become authorized dealers, just go to our website, schedule a call, and I'll tell you how you can get these for incredible prices. You can resell them to either your customer, you can sell them online, or you can do however you want to sell them. But anyway, they're a great selling tool, and everybody wants them because of the safety of them. They're an easy sale once you're out there. If you want to get involved with these things, let me know and I can hook you up. Okay? Over and out. If you guys want to get into this business, we have a free lesson for you below. Just click below, watch the free lesson. We'll see you in the course.